According to Japan's Federation of Construction Contractors, Japan's construction industry is aging quickly. With 35% of all workers now 55 or older, companies are scrambling to build robots based on workers' expertise before they retire. These companies also hope that new technology could dispel negative stereotypes of the industry among younger generations, encouraging more people to work in construction. Stricter regulations on overtime, which take effect on construction sites starting in 2024, have contributed to the trend towards automation. Contractors are struggling to meet their goal of guaranteeing 2 days off of a week on their sites. And as a solution to this emerging problem, a Japanese contractor, Obayashi, has started to build a dam almost entirely with robots, addressing the industry's labor shortage and aging workforce. The site of the trial project is a concrete dam in Mie Prefecture, on the southeast coast of Japan's main island. This 84-meter high structure is planning its completion in March 2023. Obayashi Contractor has developed automated equipment to stack concrete layers to form a dam. To further streamline the process, a plant has been set up near the site to mix sand and gravel with cement to make concrete. Building a dam requires a knowledge and skill developed through the years of experience. Obayashi's automated system is expected to be a game changer in dam construction as well as in other applications. The head of the technological unit said that by transferring the expert techniques to machines, they are able to analyze what once was implicit knowledge. Every process for constructing this 334-meter wide dam will involve some form of automation. That includes the initial work of establishing a foundation and pouring concrete to form the body. The dam's body is built in layers by pouring concrete into 15-meter square partitions. Our cranes that pour concrete are controlled remotely by office computers, which also monitor the positioning of the partitions and the progress of construction. Humans will, however, be present inside the cranes for safety reasons. The machines are self-operating. Building a dam is an intricate endeavor that requires all crevices to be sealed to prevent breaches. Concrete surfaces needs to be processed so that they are tightly stacked on one another. Layers that are uneven are usually brushed down by human professionals until they are flat. Therefore, Obayashi has developed machines that handle the brushing. The frequency of the cyclical brushing and the pressure on the surface are automatically controlled. Also, as poured concrete builds up, the forms used to give it structure needs to be raised to keep the unset concrete from leaking out. Normally, multiple skilled workers in heavy machinery operate in tandem to gradually lift the forms, calling out to each other to coordinate their movements. Therefore, Obayashi has developed a robot to handle this task, allowing for humans to be cut out of the picture entirely. Surprisingly, even with all these futuristic solutions, construction firm has only been able to increase the productivity by only about 10%, since it still needs to have a lot of people on site in case anything goes wrong. However, the company plans to acquire more such autonomous construction machines, which will eventually enable them to increase the productivity by 30% and will help them shorten the project's duration by 1 year.